We are visiting the first National Argenton Old Birds and Year Birds. In competition there were 2,276 birds. The winning hen is from Lambrechts Bert from Berlaar. This hen won on a distance of 549 kilometers and made a velocity of 1,163 meters per minute. This hen is a bigger sized, and the week before, the earlier Argenton, the week before, she won already the 18th National. So 2 times top 18th National and first National Argenton in 2 weeks time. She was raised on widowhood. She was sitting between the young birds. She was darked with the young birds, and now she did those 2 very good performances. The ring number is BE20-6181836. First National Argenton All Birds. Congrats from the Herbots team to Lambrechts Bert.